Hi guys, welcome to Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing questions of the data entry operations. If you are looking for the assignments of the any subject, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number because we are providing the PDF and the handwritten form answers. Not for this only, we have other subject also and other courses also. If you are looking any difficulties in the problem of the studies, you can contact us. Here the questions of discussing, which is data entry. Now the data entry operations questions are here. Question number one, question number two, and question number three. All you need to write in the 40 to 60 words. And question number four and question number five, you need to write in the 100 to 150 words. And question number six, you need to write into 500 words. For your information, we have prepared all the answers in advance, and if you need answers, you can contact us on our WhatsApp. Whichever you have, medium or class, you can tell us on our WhatsApp so that we will provide all the subjects answers according to your number. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.